just the almighty winds.
Almighty winds is putting it mildly.
Well, they say it's about 87 miles an hour, but we reckon it's more like 120 out there. It's making for a very rough journey. I've been swung from side to side for so much I actually feel seasick. Coming out of the Meteor Centre, it actually really nearly took us off our feet.
There was a lorry there, giant American truck.
Yeah, giant American truck. And being the tourist kind of people we are, we asked him if we could take a picture because I love American trucks. And he's actually too frightened to move. He's sitting there and hoping that it will do something about calming down before the gate shuts at 5. Because he's too frightened to move this truck. And we're in this. So, wish us luck. And,
just to put everyone's minds at rest, I am driving slowly, even though this wind is behind us. I'm driving slowly, very carefully, and because the wind's behind us, it's a lot more stable than if it was sideways as it was when we first started from the Meteor crater. It's still, however,
pretty scary.
But it's a lot more stable. I can feel the stability. We're not being thrown all over the road. I know I'm going to be annoying the car behind us because I'm doing 40 miles an hour in a 50 zone where he'd probably be doing 60 or 70.
That's his problem.
Frankly, I don't care. Right, we're out of the dust storm bit for now, but it reminded me, if any of you if any of you have seen the film Close Encounters of the Third Kind, it reminded me of the beginning scenes in New Mexico where they drive through the dust storm. You saw, not as bad, but it still was really reminiscent of that, with sand that's painful.
Yeah, it was. When it hit your face, it hurt.
Yeah, it's a sandblaster out there.
Anyway, yeah, we'll catch up with you later, and hopefully things will be a bit calmer.
It's calmer now. We're out of, we've turned and gone behind a few hills.
See you later, guys.
Ta-da! Hey guys, Meteor crater, Arizona. It's probably windy. It's probably an understatement. She's given up and stayed in the corner, so if I come over here, it's chilly. But I think these hurricane force winds we've got, and it's so loud when a blast of air comes and hits the side of the crater, it just makes such a noise. I'm going to go in so park it right in the corner to make it blow away. This thing's massive. So anyway, junction. And there's another big truck coming up. So what I'll have to do is let him pass and just stick with it. That Amazon truck's in trouble again, his lights flashing again. Frankly, not meaning to be too political, but this is where US economy over people really freaking sucks. Because these trucks should be able to pull up safely and not have to drive in this awful weather. I never want to do this again. Oh my goodness. You nearly went there, didn't you? Amazon, if you're watching, you've got a bloody first-rate driver here who knows what he's doing. How could you make him drive in this though? This is consumerism and the loss of life potentially. Makes me so angry. Right, we've hit a quiet spot for a moment.